Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today we're doing a really satisfying outdoor upgrade because nothing ruins a pretty walkway faster than decorative rocks that migrate all over the place. I'm sharing the Petra Tools Landscaping Bundle, Rock Glue Max 32 ounce plus the 1 gallon pump sprayer. Isn't that great? It came together. This was a gift from the brand. Thank you so much. So this can actually lock the rocks down and the gravel and pebbles right in place with even controlled spray. I love the sprayer too. It really makes a difference. No messy, uneven patchwork. It's great. So here's the problem that this solves, and you spend time getting your edging and your rock beds looking crisp, and then it rains or it's windy or the kids or the pets, which is usually our case. Just life. Life in general happens, and suddenly your rocks are in the lawn or on the sidewalk and somehow in places where they shouldn't be. This rock glue is made to help keep those decorative stones where you put them, on the walkway, decorative paths, in the garden beds, around planters, so your landscape stays tidy and intentional. And what I love about this bundle is it includes what you need to start right away: the glue and the sprayer. That sprayers just makes a difference with the glue, but the glue is fantastic. And that makes application feel just way more doable. Jim's going to show us how it's done here. He's doing the mixing process. But we can talk about the application process here too, because this is where people either love rock glue or they get frustrated. The 1 gallon pump sprayer is the secret sauce for getting this really nice and even coverage. Instead of pouring and hoping for the best, you're misting it across the surface so it can settle down into the rocks more uniformly. That even spray coverage is what really helps to avoid those messy spots where one area gets soaked and another area barely gets touched. It's one of those work smarter, not harder kind of tools that makes the job feel clean and controlled. Now, a few practical tips, Jimbo style here, so you get the best result. First, prep matters. Take 2 minutes to tidy the area up. Jim kind of picked little debris and leaves out. If you've got leaves, loose debris, or a bunch of dust sitting on top, clear it off so the glue can actually bond to the rocks instead of bonding to yesterday's yard clippings. If your rocks are already scattered, rake them back into place and get your shape exactly how you want it. This is the moment to make it look pretty, because once it's set, it's going to stay. Next, spray in a calm, consistent pattern. I like to work in small sections so I don't miss spots. Think of it like painting. Steady passes, overlapping slightly, and don't rush. You're aiming for a uniform coat across the top layer so it can hold things together. And if you're doing the walkway edge or a border that tends to get kicked around, give that area a little extra attention, because those are the high traffic zones where rocks love to escape. Let's talk timing. This one has a full cure time of about 4 hours, which is great because it's not an all-day situation. But you do want to plan it like a mini project. Pick a window where you can keep pets and little feet off the area while it sets. If you're like me and you've got dogs who believe every fresh yard project is a personal invitation, just block it off for a bit. A couple of garden stakes and a little temporary barrier, whatever you've got. Maybe put a chair kind of in front of it. Protect your work while it cures. And once it's dry, it's designed to be water resistant, so it can handle real life outside. Rain happens, sprinklers happen, weather happens. The whole point is that your rocks don't get rearranged every time the sky changes its mind. Now, a quick note on the brand, because I know some of you care, and I do too, about this. Petra Tools is a USA-based American family-owned company out of Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and they mention a satisfaction guarantee and USA customer service. I always like knowing there's this real company behind a product, especially for outdoor tools and home projects, because support matters. So if you're looking at your walkway, your rock bed, your gravel border, and thinking, I just want this to stay put and look neat, this bundle is a really smart way to do it. It's that quiet kind of upgrade, nothing flashy, but it makes your home look more polished, more cared for, and honestly, more peaceful. Because when the outside looks tidy, personally, my brain feels tidy too. Home sweet home tip, do this in a calm, dry day when it's not too windy outside, and work in small sections so you can keep your coverage even and your edges looking really crisp. That's how you get that professionally finished kind of look without the fuss. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.